Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the XRP chart and see what our short-term targets indicate and what our long-term targets show. On this page you're seeing, which is TradingView, this is the XRP chart where you can see it has hit new all-time highs. Just 2 weeks ago, its new all-time high was around $3.69. After reaching new all-time highs, there was a price rejection and it came down. You could say the price dropped by about 25%. Look, in the current situation XRP is in, we can't say for sure that this was a breakout. This was more of a touch that hit the all-time highs and got price rejected and came down. And in the next move, there's a chance that XRP could explode upward and the real breakout might actually happen in the next move. All of what you see here is a back test that you can observe on a shorter term time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that there was a support level here around the price of about $2.50, which it touched and made a nice bounce. And in this part, you can see that a gap has formed, which is gradually being filled. And now the main question is whether the price can go and reach this area, or if the price will turn around and move upward. Personally, I think there's a chance that the price might drop a bit more and enter this green box and then move, which could form a nice head and shoulders pattern, or it could also go up from right here, but it's kind of 50-50. It's still not clear or certain whether it will go up from here or if it will drop a bit first and then go up. But in any case, personally, I'm bullish based on the structure I'm seeing, and you can see this nice big green candle here, which has been followed by 3 small red candles coming down slowly. This really is a bullish structure, and the next candles will most likely be greener, stronger, and move upward. And if we look at the XRP market cap chart, the situation is different because in the XRP market cap chart, the price has broken the all-time highs and has done a nice back test on the all-time highs. And now for almost 6 months, it's been forming a beautiful structure here on the all-time highs, gradually getting ready for a breakout and new all-time highs on the XRP market cap chart. And you could say, where will these new all-time highs in the XRP market cap take us? If we draw a Fibonacci here and want to find our top target, which is, for example, for the long term, you'll see that there's really nothing left for XRP. I mean, for example, in this bull run, personally, I think there's a chance that XRP could go up another 150% to 300%. And according to this Fibonacci on the market cap, you can see that if the price wants to reach the 4.236 Fibonacci level, it needs to go up another 178%. And if we go to the XRP chart against Bitcoin and analyze it to see where the next resistance is, you can see that from where it is right now, it has been rejected several times at this resistance. And if it breaks through this, there's no strong resistance left until this box I've drawn here, which, as you can see, is 230% away. And if you look at the XRP dominance chart from there as well, you can see that after XRP was in a bear market and made its last touch on the support level, these areas were the best opportunities to buy. And those who bought here will have a very different profit compared to someone who buys here. Look, from here to the next resistance, it's about 167%. And if we take these percentages and put them on the main XRP price chart, let's see how much it comes out to. Personally, I think the first place where XRP might stop, it could do a back test. You could say that this is the point where if it breaks out, it could head towards $5.50, and here it might do a back test before moving on. But usually, since XRP's price moves up so sharply, it doesn't do any more back tests. It just goes straight up. And now, if something like this happens to XRP, based on our estimates, XRP could go up between 160% to nearly 300%. If we take the lowest estimate, we can say XRP could reach $8, and if it really takes off, it could go above $10 or $11. XRP doesn't have a large percentage in it compared to other altcoins because the ones who made a lot of profit from XRP were those people who bought XRP in this phase. You could say that if XRP reaches $8, which is the lowest level I think it might reach, that would be a 1600% profit. But if someone enters XRP at this point now, you could say they can only make about 174% profit. And according to my estimation, XRP has already given most of its big profits, and there's not much left until it reaches its main top. XRP still has room to go up by about 150 to 250 or even 300% more. That was my video about XRP and the analysis I did. Both the short-term and long-term outlooks are bullish. And let's remember, in trading, nothing is 100% certain. Everything is about probabilities. Like this video and subscribe, and always remember, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Until the next video, goodbye.